Hi everyone, welcome to Face-to-Face Portraiture in a Digital Age. This is an exhibition facilitated by Asialink, a Melbourne-based organisation where I'm from. I'm the Arts Program Coordinator there. And not only does Asialink host a very exciting and Australia's largest residency program, we also run a touring exhibition program which travels Asian countries. So we actually facilitate 3 to 4 touring exhibitions around Asia per year, and each of these exhibitions travels to about 3 to 4 different venues and countries. So we've actually calculated that Asialink opens a touring exhibition somewhere in Asia or somewhere in the world at least every 23 days. So Face-to-Face Portraiture in a Digital Age was curated by Kathy Cleland, and it was devised by a Sydney-based company called Deluxe Media Arts, who specialise in the exhibition and display of multimedia and sort of technological artworks and components. So in a nutshell, Face-to-Face looks at the traditional genre of self-portraiture and recontextualises that in a digital age. Not only are these artists revealing sort of about themselves, they're also painting a bigger picture of modern day society and the way society reflects on key issues which I'll be discussing, such as the self, the virtual self or avatar, new technology, our current fascination with celebrity status, fame, and a sort of search for perfection. So this is Stellark's work from 2003 called Prosthetic Head, and it's actually a 3D digital animation of the artist. It uses software called Embodied Conversational Agent or ECA, and basically the artist has created a database of thousands and thousands of words, and it picks up on keywords. So you can ask Stellark quite simple questions like, how are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
And he will respond to you usually in quite a simple manner, but there's also more complex questions that he can answer. What is the meaning of art?
A cold, good semantic question. Sometimes the definition of art depends on the artist, other times it depends on the critic.
And you can even ask Stellark to perform for you.
Your polite style is very nice.
So he can also offer sort of quite deep personal advice.
A 20th century celebrity of some sort? We have never talked about it before.
So it's as if you really know him and you're having a proper conversation. This is John Tonkin's Time and Motion study. John Tonkin is an artist from South Australia, and he's very interested in digital animation in particular, as well as photo media. He actually lectures in these art forms as well. And Time and Motion study is really reliant on the viewer. It's one of the 3 interactive works we have in Face-to-Face, the exhibition. And the idea is for the viewer to stand here behind the mouse and in front of a webcam, which is on top of an LCD TV screen, and be captured by the camera. So I'll just do a demonstration for you. So, as you can see, the camera is capturing my every move. And with this work, we restart it each morning. And the idea of this work is that using a mouse, you can sort of travel back through this timeline of sort of digitally animated people, almost ghost-like figures, and track back to the different time periods. And so you can see who visited the exhibition at this stage here where it's black, there was no one present, and then it goes back to the visual timeline, and you can sort of toggle it up and down. It's actually quite a beautiful and mesmerising pattern at the same time as being, an interesting work which is really asking the viewers to play with that concept of time.